Hey YouTubers, got a quick little how-to, little information for you guys, you do-it-yourselfers. You know, it's awesome that guys, just like myself when I started out, you kind of start doing things on your own to save money and learn how to do things. And I just want to show you a little something here that even us professionals, every once in a while, run into a problem. As you can see here, we've got something going on here in the filler that I put in the joint. And what had turned out was in this area right here, with all my years of experience, I obviously had an area that did not mix properly, because if you look, this stuff is still gooey. So what would have happened here is this wouldn't have shown itself for quite some time. Had I gone back over this with a skim coat of regular filler, this would have popped out. But maybe after the first few heat cycles out in the sun, we would have seen a weird bump in the car right here, and I would have had to have ground all that out and repainted half the car again. So, little FYI for you guys. Hey, it happens to all of us. When you mix your filler up, you always want to make sure that you got every little bit of it mixed up 100%, because as you can see here, I didn't get it right. So now what this means is this whole joint along here, even though I've picked at it with the knife here and it seems solid, I'm going to grind that whole thing back out and redo it all over again, because this is now suspect. Fortunately, I did the two sides separately, so this was a separate mix than the other side, and the other side is fine. But I will go ahead and pick at it a little bit just to check. But yep, just a quick little FYI. For all you do-it-yourselfers, guys want to know what happens when you don't mix filler properly. This was laying underneath. I'll flip this over here and you can see my sand marks. You can see I was sanding away on this. There's the sand marks on top. And had I not seen a funny little spot here, I might have left it alone. Well, I saw that spot, stuck my knife in it, and there we go. I bet you maybe we can even... And we're pretty solid up to there, you see. But because of that, to do it right, this whole joint is suspect now. So we are going to dig all of this out and redo it. That's how we do things here. Do it right, or don't do it at all. See ya.